Okay. Hello, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive hereby data from Field Employ Agency in the Philippines, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Okay, no. This is our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, why do you want to come here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go in Singapore or Hong Kong?
I want to go there because I want to. Excuse me. I want to experience the other country.
Okay, so can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Yes, ma'am. I'm Crisaline Severino. I'm 31 years old, and I worked before in Saudi Arabia for 2 years and 2 months. I worked there in the house for cleaning, laundry, and then ironing and take care of the kids. Also clean the house.
Okay, how old is the children that you take care?
The children, there are three kids, all boys, and then the eldest is 15 years old, and 10 years old, and 5 years old.
Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you, Cresaline. You are single or married?
I'm single.
When is your birthday?
I'm January 6, 1993.
What is your height and your weight?
I'm uh, 5'2". My height 5'2", and then 60 kilo.
60 kilo. What is your religion?
Assembly of God.
Okay, what about your educational background?
I'm high school graduate.
High school graduate. You don't have kids, is it?
Yes, ma'am. I don't have kids.
Okay. So I already tell it many times that being domestic helper is very tough. So you need to be flexible, multitasking, and you need to prepare for any task that the employer will be given to you. You already got experience working in Saudi, and you need to apply it also while you are working here in Malaysia. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You have a 2 years contract and you need to finish that. Otherwise, you have a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency. Nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
In usage of mobile handphone also, you cannot hold your phone for the whole day because you are working, right? But rather than,
Yes.
you can hold it
Yes.
during nighttime, like 2 to 3 hours, to contact your family back in the Philippines. After that, you will render your phone to your employer. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you also have a once a week rest day, but you will going to stay inside the employer's house and you cannot go out. Do you agree?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but if you will work on your rest day, employer will going to compensate your salary, which means in our contract right now, you could have 1,800 ringgit. But if you will work on your rest day, of course, employer will compensate it. So you could have a 2,080 ringgit for every month. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So, President, I would like to let you know that working in Saudi and Malaysia is quite different. Okay? So,
Yes, ma'am.
employer here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So, is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
So, how will you fight? You've been in Saudi for 2 years. How do you fight your homesickness because you are working quite far away from your family?
I work hard, but then uh, uh I work hard, and then the hmm? Just
Willing to adjust. Okay. So, I would like to ask you. I give you a situation. If employer is not happy the way you work, what will you do?
I talk to my employer to fix all the problem of my agency.
Okay. So, Creseline, as I have mentioned a while ago, we are working in other countries, right? We need to
Yes,
be well-mannered person. We also need
yes,
to
ma'am.
humble ourselves. We need to adjust ourselves. Don't allow our
Yes,
employer adjust themselves, okay? We need to
yes, ma'am.
respect and follow the rules and regulations of every employer because every employer got different rules and regulations, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
If there is any problem or if you have any concerns regarding employer, you can directly inform your employer, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so maybe in Philippines, we are boss there, but working in any other countries, we need to adjust ourselves. Okay, we are not the boss. So
Yes, ma'am.
all we need to do is just to be a hardworking person because we come here to sustain our family's needs, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I give you one more situation. If employer get angry with you or scold you, but you didn't do anything wrong, you already follow all the things that your employer told you, but still they scold or get angry with you, what will you do?
Um,
Will
I
you
talk
answer
with
back?
them.
Will you answer back your employer or how will you handle it?
I talk with them sincerely, and then sa English na paubos man.
Okay, you will talk to
Uh,
them sincerely what is the problem and then you will get be patience.
yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. So, Kerzeline, as much as possible, I wanted to let you know that the reality of working here in Malaysia, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So, if you agree our rules and regulations is okay, you can come here. But if you don't agree about our rules and regulations, is okay also. We don't force people here. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because agents here in Malaysia will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you and have a good day.
Okay.
Bye.